Welcome and wagwan. This is the PostGIS function of the week, episode 6. I'm Reese, and this week's function is ST hexagon grid. Now, what is ST hexagon grid? It's simply a function you can use to generate a grid of hexagons over a given area. Let's jump into PSQL and have a look at the function signature. There is one variant, and as you can see, it says set of record. This is the first function in the series that is not a scalar or aggregate function. So what is a set of record function? Whereas a normal function such as stcentroid or stdistance returns one result, a set of record returns a set of results. And since this is a grid, it returns one record for each hexagon. Let's do a quick example. So we have here ST hexagon grid, and the first argument is the size of the hexagon, and the second argument is the area or the bounding box of a geometry. So I chose to buffer a point by 100 meters, and this is what we get. Now, I mentioned it is a set of record, and in the function definition it has three out parameters. So if I do select all from and then the function name, we get an actual table out. So we have first column geom, and then column I and column J. Alrighty, let us look at a more substantive example. In the previous episode, I had used the parachute of Jamaica to get centroids. So I'm going to generate a hexagon grid over all of Jamaica. I like namespaces as usual, so let's create a special namespace for my hexagons. Then we're going to create a table, and we're going to do it over all of the island of Jamaica. So let's jump in. Alright, so we have create table, table name, and then we're using a common table expression. So we're saying with island as, and we're using the stunion function from a few episodes back. Select stunion geom from Jamaica parishes, and this will give me one geometry of Jamaica. And then we're going to select all from ST hexagon grid, and I want my hexagons to be 125 meters in size. And then we select G from island, and island is the previously defined CTE section in line 2. And there we have 519,000 rows. Let's pop into QGIS. Oh, right. So in QGIS, in the browser area here, you're only going to get tables that have type def geometry. My geometry does not have a type definition, so let's fix that quickly. polygon, and it's 3448. Alrighty, if we head back into QGIS, hit refresh, it should pop up. Alternatively, we could always go to layer data source manager and do it manually like we've done before. Alright, let's add this layer to the project, and there we go. We have lovely little hexagons covering the entirety of the island. Let me just do a quick style change and make it transparent. There we go. So yeah, lovely little hexagons for your viewing pleasure. Next episode we'll look at ST intersects and see how we can have some fun with that. Alright folks, bye.